Weche mamoko en ni riwruok mar jopuonj KUPPET koro dwaro ni duol mandiko jopuonj e tich TSC mondo ondik jopuonj mamoko ma kwan-gi ohingo 20,000 ne skunde mag senior secondary. Ka gilose e boma ma Mombasa, jopuonj go wacho ni gibiro ng'anyo ne tich poni ok bi winj ywak margi. Giwacho ni TSC yware wach ndiko jopuonj kata kobedo ni siling bilion 5 noseket thenge ne chenro ma kamano. Jopuonj go eko bende oramo ni onego ndikgi e yo mongirore kaka winjruok nobedo e kinde mokalo kar miyogi orak ni nyaka giti kuom higni 2 e kindikogi e yo mongirore.
Very clear that the contract for the internship is supposed to run for only one year. Those are 12 months. But we don't know where these particular figures of 2 years are coming from the president. We want to ask the president that these JSS teachers who are seeing here, they are the backbones. They are the one doing a lot of work in those particular classrooms you are seeing. Power. They are the one which are initiating and which are carrying out the CBC programs.
Yeah. There is money for empowerment program. There is money for Nyota. There is money for political parties to flaunt money here and there. There is money for choppers to fly, but there is no money for the teacher who is teaching the learner to the Kenyan citizen. These people here are very energetic. If you don't honor what you are saying today, come January, we will be very busy on these roads dancing and dancing from morning to evening, from Monday to Friday.
So the time frame we are giving the president is, if by January they are not confirmed, the KUPPET teachers fraternity, who are the ones in charge of running junior schools, we will down our tools and we will be joined by all junior schools and senior schools, teachers in the entire nation. There shall be no learning.